Alright guys, so we're starting out the video here on the GoPro. I'm trying to film more of me working on cars since no one believes that I work on cars. But we're going to tear in to the 01 Cobra. As you guys know, we had some failure at the drift event. Well, I guess we're stuck. Car's dead.
So Andrew, what did we find?
Found our issue. This would be why I was having electrical issues. Nothing wrong with the car originally. It was just low. This harness on this side got messed up. I've been waiting for a harness to get back from Steve. Turns out that the positive connection on the fuse box on his, which is right here, is actually messed up. So that is a problem. We're gonna jack this thing up, probably pull this harness off, see if it's repairable. If not, I may go pull the harness off of the roller car that I have now, if it's in good shape. So let's go ahead and get into this and we'll see how it goes. Alright guys, so I stopped the time lapse. I had a few things I had to figure out, and I'm tripping over all my bolts and everything. I had a few things I had to figure out, and I ended up turning the time lapse off. But what I went ahead and did, let's turn our AC unit away. So I went ahead, I pulled the windshield washer fluid reservoir out of the way, unplugged everything. So check this out. We got light in here. So as you can see here, we actually have some more wires that were a little bit chewed up, so I got to repair this in addition to the harness that we have here. So it looks bad, but it really isn't that bad. For anyone who's going to worry about paint here on this car, it's already shot, so don't worry. Yeah, so I got a lot of repairing to do, but I don't think it's impossible. The only thing I'm going to worry about is the fuse box and how many fuses I blew, so I'm gonna need a lot of spare ones. guys, so I had a time lapse going for a bit, but we got a lot of work to do here. I've already killed 40% of the camera. So I am actually gonna go to the store. I need to pick up some new wire for the most part. So the cool thing I think about wiring is a lot of people get scared, and it's really not that difficult. Things need to go where they belong. They need a good connection, nice strong connection. After that, it's really simple. So I've gone along and pretty much isolated this entire harness here. Found any issues, fixed any issues, that is all set. We have one which looks like a ground wire here. So this one goes here, this one's ripped off here. I twist them together so that I know where it goes. I'm gonna replace this whole wire. So cut here, make a nice connection, and just replace the whole entire black wire here. So I'm gonna go pick up some black and red wire to hopefully get that back together. What I'm gonna do after I get this section done is, just like I did here, I taped this all together just to know that I fixed all of these. And I'm just gonna tape those together, make that entire, almost like a loom. So essentially when I am done, all this is gonna be, whatever like belongs together is gonna be two big black looms, just like factory. So I know this looks like a lot and it looks bad. It really isn't that bad. So I mean, I say that now, obviously, I hope that everything's good. You know, our worst connections are here, but check this out. So we got some bad wires here, right? We cut at both ends, put new wires in place, heat shrink, and put it back together, and we're really not that bad, as you can see here. So we are making progress. I am going to try to keep you guys updated along the way, but I have quite a few hours of work to do. But I'm gonna go to the store, get some new wire. I got pretty much all my wiring supplies already here, so my goal is to hopefully get this thing started today if there aren't too many blown fuses. You know, it's possible I could take them out of the bullet. I just don't want to blow fuses if I do have an issue. But I mean, yeah, basically, hopefully we didn't kill too many fuses in the fuse box, because that is what all this, you know, works off of. So hopefully we can make progress and get the old Cobra going today. The only other thing I got to do, which is a pain because I got to work inside here, is I got to fix these wires. But this is a much smaller harness. Might be able to pop it out of wherever this comes from. We'll see. No, I don't think so. This is a much smaller harness. It's just a small area to work in, but I can fix this up too. So we'll be rocking hopefully tonight. Not drifting, but just rocking. All right, guys, status update. We are making some great progress, and I'm actually really close to be done. I have to call it quits for today. I was hoping to get it started, but I have somewhere I need to be very soon, so I gotta go take a shower and, you know, get ready for that stuff. So right here, this is all fixed. Anything that was really torn, cut, spliced in new wire. I color coordinated the best I can, red and black. Black, obviously, if there's a black stripe, and then if there's a red version, you know, positive, negative. Did my best to color coordinate. Obviously, there's still some ends left there, so if I ever need to go back and trace these wires, figure out what they do, the original color is at both ends of the wire. For the most part, it looks like we got like 3 wires left to repair right here. All these big ones right here, these nice big wires, those look good, which is great. Yeah, I mean, we're super close. So I got the rest of these ones right here to fix. This is all fixed right here. I didn't tape up this end because I want to make sure we have room to reach all the connections. Once I verify that everything works, we'll tape this up. This is all nice right here. This is all fixed. There's a lot of work going into fixing this, but it's not really costing very much besides the wire I had to buy. So, and I don't have to pull a harness from another car that's questionably working. So we got all of this. I'm very excited. The only thing I kind of regret is getting down in there to be able to fix this. This is super easy, comfortable. I got the AC unit there, so it's super comfortable to work on this for, I guess it's been hours working on this. And I kind of like it. I kind of like wiring. So we're getting very close to being able to get this car back going. So I'm excited. All right, guys, so day 2. Let's get this thing done and started. We got a few more wires to fix there. We got a few under there. Let's get going. All right, guys, so it's been about 2 hours and I pretty much have everything repaired. The only thing I haven't done is tape this up to make it nice. I just want to make sure everything works before I kind of get everything, you know, stuck. As far as I know, everything is good. There's no cross connections anywhere throughout this. and we should be good to go. We're plugged in. Obviously, we're not leaving it like this. This is just a test. Hopefully it'll start. Hopefully there isn't too many blown fuses. As far as I remember, it really wasn't blowing too many fuses. It was blowing the headlight fuse, but other than that, I mean, we should be good to rock. So I'm gonna pop the battery in here. I got a fire extinguisher in the car, so yeah, let's see what happens. All right, moment of truth. Battery's connected. Let's see if we can hop in the car here. Just gonna get our jack out of the way. So we definitely got power. I had key on. I don't know. That is looking like exactly the same. Let me try putting a jump box to it, but I'm either the battery's dead or we still have some really bad connections. Oh no, I did so much wiring. Maybe the battery's dead. I mean, who knows? Let's try it. Alright, so there were like 5 fuses blown here. I stole them from the Bullet. There were another 3 that were blown here. So in total we had about 8 fuses. I had some spare mini fuses. I bought like a whole set before. I don't have spare maxi fuses, so you can actually see on the Bullet. These are the ones that I did go ahead and pull. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the ones that are sticking up, those are the ones that I need to replace. So I might just go to the junkyard and buy, you know, assorted fuses. It's always good to have some spare ones too. So we got that. I'm a little nervous. First of all, is the PCM gonna have power and the odometer gonna come on? So that's really my first question. Oh my God, it's alive. Do you think it's gonna start? Comment right now, because I don't have faith. I had faith that first time, but all right. Ugh. Will she start? Neutral. Oh yeah. Dude. She's alive. Hell yeah. Let's make sure nothing's on fire. Yeah, buddy. We got a live, dude. It's not misfired. A little tired. Yeah, dude. It's got an ABS light on, but that's always been on. No battery light. That means the alternator's charging. Woo! She's alive. I'm so pumped. Now all I have to do, tape up my harness, tug it away, and we're done. I'm so pumped. So freaking pumped. Alright guys, the car's back together. We are going to raise it so that we don't have these issues ever again. We might even put some fender liners back into it. I found 2 more low beam fuses located under the dash in the location 4 and 10, I believe it was what it was. Those are 10 amp fuses. Replace those. Headlights now work. As far as I know, everything works. I'm going to take it for a quick test drive around the block, and yeah, should be good. Alright. We are alive. Windows, that, our gauges, everything is working, man. This is awesome. I'm so pumped. Yeah, we're gonna take her out for a test drive. Mostly just because I'm pretty sure everything's fine with it. I just want to drive it. I haven't driven it. spent so much time on that harness. It's crazy. We shouldn't rub it, especially, you know, we're not drifting, so we should be perfectly fine. So I'm gonna just drive it around and I'll check in with you guys.